Okay. Are you getting any noise from my side?
No, sir.
No?
No.
Okay. हार्दिक सर पहले लिया क्या मेरा नहीं 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 चाहिए
इसे छोटे बच्चों के पूरे उड़ा दो आप। सीधी टाइप
ज्यादा पानी देना बच्चे को
गुड।
खाना क्या बनेगा Hello guys, good morning to all. Turn on your camera. Good morning to everyone. Good morning Joshua. Good morning Hannah. Good morning Johan. Good morning Anna. Good morning Jahuan. Everyone, good morning. Turn on your camera, please. Hmm. Jehoan, Joshua, turn on the camera. Okay, so we were doing chapter number 4. So first we will take doubts, then we will move forward. Yes, your doubts, please, Hannah.
4.410.
Yeah, just let me take down that. Yeah, you also have doubts, no problem in that. 4.410. Okay. So Joshua, you didn't did this topic, so it's okay. You can do one thing that you can just see this part, and if you have we will do this topic afterwards, then you will get it. Okay. Okay. So the question is, this one. 27 b cube minus a cube minus 3a square minus 3a minus 1. This is the thing. Can you hear me? Am I audible? Okay, is background noise is more? Okay. I'm trying my best, guys, because here again, electricity is not there. So if I will take in room, so it will heat, like the maximum heat will be there in the mobile. Then it will, I think, blast also. You can boil water on it also, so it's okay. So now this is the question. Okay, now can I write, like, can I do the prime factorization of 27? What is the prime factorization of 27? 9, 3, 3, 3, and 1. So 27, it means that can be written as 3 into 3 into 3. It means that 27 can be written as 3 cube. Yes or no? Yeah. So it means that now this can be written as 3 cube b cube minus a cube minus 3a square minus 3a minus 1. Okay. So the next step will be like this: 3b cube minus a cube minus 3a square minus 3a minus 1. Understood? Yes or no? Any problem in that? Okay. Okay. Now, um, this is one term. So 3b cube minus a cube minus 3a square minus 3a minus 1. Now, can I write 1 as 1 cube? Because I know that if I will do 1 cube, it is equals to 1 into 1 into 1. So the answer is 1. Can I write it like this? Yes. Now I'm solving this part, okay? This part. Okay. So from this, I got that this is a cube, this is b cube minus 3a square b plus 3b square a. Let me check. Okay. I have to do this thing. Now it means that I will write 3b cube minus as a common. So a cube plus 3a square plus 3a plus 1 cube. What I did, I take out minus sign as a common. So if I will take out minus sign as a common, so the every minus sign will become plus and the plus sign will become minus. So here it is minus, so it become plus minus, it become plus minus, it become plus minus, it become plus. Understood, Hera? Everyone understood? Jahoan? Yes or no? What I did, first I just changed 27b cube like this. First I will let me write it down, then I will let you know step by step. Again, now listen. Now it is written 3 cube b cube. Yes. Okay, listen, guys, everyone, don't write first. It's written 27b cube, okay? 27, I got it that I can write like 3 cube. Yes, no problem in that. Okay, so I wrote 3 cube b cube. Then I make it like this. Okay, because both has the 3 powers, so I make it a common power, so it becomes 3 like this. Understood? There is no problem in that. Yes or no? Now this is a cube minus 3a square minus 3a minus 1. Okay. What I did, I take out minus sign as a common. So the minus, every term which is in minus will become in plus. Understood? Did you understand? And 1 is written. So can I write 1 as 1 cube? Because both are same. Like if I will do 1 cube, the answer is also 1. So can I write 1 as 1 cube? No problem in that. Guys, did you understand? Jahovan, Anna got it?
Yes, sir.
Anna? Yeah. Now, now it is in the form of a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b, okay, plus 3b square a. So it means that can I write it like a plus b whole cube like this? Yes or no? Can I write it like this? A plus b whole cube? Yes or no? Yeah. Now, now again it is in the form of x cube minus y cube. Now what is the answer of that? It is x minus y into x square plus xy, x square plus xy plus y square. Guys, did you understand? Yes or no? So if I will compare this, so I got that x is equals to 3b and y is equals to a plus 1. So just I have to put these values into this to get the answer. Guys, did you understand? Hannah? Yes? Johan? Johan? Anna? Got it? Write it down quickly. Johan, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Traveling? Okay. So did you understand, Johan? Johan, did you
Yes, sir.
understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then
1 minute.
yeah, next doubt, please. Next doubt. Anybody has next doubt?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
The check your progress 4.3,
Hmm.
the ninth one.
9. Okay. Can I read it? Write them right. Okay. Joshua is writing.
You have to solve after that also, right?
Yeah. You have to just put the values of x and y into this, then you will get the final answer. Shall I read this? Okay. Now this is the question. 2x plus 1 whole square minus 9x square. So if I will do the prime factorization of 9, so it means that 9 can be written as 3 whole square. Yes or no? Yeah. So can I write like this? 2x plus 1 whole square minus 3 square x square. So 2x plus 1 whole square minus 3x whole square. I make a common power. Yes or no? Now it is in the form of a square minus b square. So it means that it can be written as a plus b into a minus b. Guys, did you understand? Yes or no? Now if I will compare, then a is equals to 2x plus 1 and b is equals to 3x. Then I have to put the values into this. So it will become 2x plus 1 plus 3x, then 2x plus 1 minus 3x. Now if I will solve this, it becomes 5x plus 1 and minus x plus 1. This is the answer. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Any other question, please?
Yeah, I just most of my doubts, sir, I only want to know how to start the problem. After that, I'll know how to solve it.
Yeah,
The
so that's what I'm saying. When I saw this question, I just got that this is in the form of a square minus b square. So I made it like this, a square minus b square. Then I solved it. So whenever you will see the question, you have to check what type of identity it can be used in this. Simple as that.
Okay, sir.
Understood?
Yeah. Could you do the 18th one?
Yeah. What's the 18 one? Okay. 4a4 plus 81b4. This is the question. So can I write it like this? 2a. Okay. To the right step. So can I write like this? 2a square. Like this, can I write like this? In the same way, plus 81 can be written as 9 square, b square and square. Why I wrote like this? Because I may have to make the same power of both the numbers, coefficient as well as variable. Understood? Now what I will do, so 2a square has the common power of square. In the same way, 9b square has a common power of square. Understood, guys? Yes or no? Now it is in the form of a square plus b square. So I need the answer which is minus 2ab plus 2ab so that I can get the answer. So plus 2ab and then minus 2ab. I'm adding a step. I'm adding a step like this. When I will solve in a backward reverse direction, I will get the same answer. And if I'll not get if I will solve it so that this identity, this can become like this, guys. Listen, this can become like this. A square plus b square plus 2ab can be written as a plus b whole square. Guys, did you understand? Yes or no? Minus 2ab. Guys, did you understand? Yes or no? Okay. So now if I will compare this, so my a is equals to 2a square and b is equals to 9b square. So just I have to put the values into this. Okay. So it will become 2a square plus 2 9b 9b square, okay, plus 2ab, 2 into 2a square into 9b square minus 2ab, 2 into 2a square plus okay. So now this will become, now this part will become like this. Okay, so it will become a, which is 2a square plus b plus b. Ayush, देखा ना? Plus b, which is 9b square minus 2 into 2a square. ये देखिए आगे, मैम, into 9b square. This is the thing. Guys, did you understand? Yeah. So now it will become 2a square plus 9b square whole square minus 2 to the 4. 4 to the 36. 36 a square b square. So I can write like this also, 2a square plus 9b square whole square minus 6 square a square b square. So 2a square plus 9b square whole square minus 6ab whole square. My God. Now it is in the, again it is, the identity is this, a square minus b square. So the answer is a plus b, a minus b. If I will compare it, so my a is equals to 2a square plus 9b square and b is equals to 6ab whole square. So this value I have to put into this to get the answer. Did you understand, Anna?
Yes, sir.
So it's all about what identity you are using. The identity is most important. Nothing else. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
I know Joshua is not able to understand anything, but it's basically previous topic questions. So we'll when we will cover up that topics, then you will understand this. Okay. Johan, got it?
Yes, sir.
Johan is at traveling. Johan,
Yes, sir, I am.
so you can check out that channel video, okay? If you don't understand anything, if you want to write notes or whatever thing, okay? Okay. So shall I raise this? Anybody has any problems? Any doubt, please? Okay, do this question. You have to do middle term splitting. Do it quickly. Yes, we did this topic, Joshua. Did you understand that topic, Joshua?
Yeah, I understood.
You have doubt?
Little doubt I have.
Sorry, your voice is low.
Little doubt I have.
Yeah, please tell me what's doubt you have.
I've done the full, like the same symbol, but I haven't done 2x squared plus 5x minus 3.
You're not able to do it. Do you want me to do it?
I didn't understand.
Okay. So you can do one thing. You just tell me the step which we followed in the previous classes. Okay. And then I will write these steps and then we'll check it out what's the answer. Okay. Yeah, tell me.
First you have to take the n number, 3x squared.
Sorry.
3x squared.
No, we have to first multiply the first term and the last term. So 2 into 3 will become 6x squared. Okay. Now,
Now you have to take,
and the answer will be minus 6x squared because minus sign is also there like this here. Then,
now 3 into 2.
okay, if you will do 3x and 2x, so if you will multiply them, you will get answer as plus 6x squared. But you need an answer of minus 6x squared. Understood, Joshua? No. So what will you do?
So we put minus
Minus where?
on 3x.
Okay. So if you will do minus on 3x, you will get answer as minus 6x squared, which is correct. But if you will solve them, means if you will add them, you will get answer as, if you will solve them, you will get answer as minus x. But you need an answer of plus 5x. Then,
So you have to put minus on the 2 also.
so if you will put minus on 2 also, so you will get like how many times minus are repeating? 2 times minus are repeating. Then the answer will be in plus, but you need an answer in minus. Then what you can do? If I will write like this, will it be good? I'm just thinking. 6x into x. 6 ones are 6. Yes? Yes or no? So if 6 ones are 6 is there, so can I write minus sign in front of which 1 or 6? Tell me. Because I need answer in minus 6x square. No? So now you tell me where I will put minus sign. Joshua.
Minus on 6.
Minus on 6. So you will get answer as minus 6x square, which is correct. But when you will solve them, then what will you get? You will get answer is like different sign is there, meaning we have to subtract it. The answer will be 5x, but the 6 is greater than 1. So the sign of 6 is minus. So you will get answer as minus 5x. But you need the middle term should be plus 5x. Understood, Joshua? No.
Yeah.
So where you will put minus sign then?
On 1.
Yes. Then the subtraction will be there because different sign is there, but the answer will be in plus because 6 is greater and the sign of in front of 6 is plus. So it means that it will become like this: 2x square plus 6x minus 1x minus 3. Understood? Now, what is the common between them? It's 2x. Why 2x? I'll do it again. See, what is the common between them? Tell me.
Both of them have x.
X is common, very good. And both are is divisible by 2.
Yeah.
So if I will write 2 here, then what will, like from this, what will remain? The first term, what will remain inside the box? Yeah.
Again x.
Yeah, sorry.
Again x should be
Yeah, x will remain like this. Understood? No? Now next part
plus
from this.
6. 6.
Now 6 is 6, 6, see. 6 can be written in the form of 2 into 3. Yes? Now 2 is out. So what will remain?
3.
Yeah, so x plus 3. Understood? No?
Understood.
Yeah. So now there is no common in the third and the fourth term. Okay. So I will write 1. But the -1 I will write. Why? Because if I will take minus as a common sign, the plus term will become minus and the minus term will become plus. Understood? Yeah. So it will become like this: x plus 3. Understood?
Yeah.
Because the term minus will become plus and the minus will become plus. Both the minus terms are there, so it will become plus. Hannah, understood? Anna, Johan.
Yes.
Yeah. So now what is the common between them?
X
X plus 3. Yeah. So I will write x plus 3 outside. Now what is remain behind?
2x minus
Very good. 2x minus. So these are the middle term splitting. Hannah, you got the same answer, Hannah?
Yes, sir.
Very good.
Sir,
Anna? Yes.
actually, I did like 3x when I did the middle term splitting. I did
Mhm.
3x and 2x.
So 3x and 2x. So if you will multiply it, Anna, what will you get answer? Anna, if
6x.
you will multiply plus 6x square, na?
Okay.
But you need an answer of minus 6x square. That's
Oh.
why it's wrong. Understood? Anna? No. Anna
I
got
got
it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Shall I erase this, guys? Okay, Joshua is writing. Jahoan? Are you there, Jahoan? You got it, beta? Jahoan? Yeah, perfect. I hope you are getting everything. Joshua, Jahoan, you're getting everything, beta?
Yes, sir.
Perfect. Done? I'll give you one more question. Okay, do this question. And everyone do this question. Yeah, got it, everyone? Yeah, Joshua has doubt.
No, I'm doing.
Okay. Johan is traveling. Johan, you got the answer, Johan? Johan, you got the answer?
Uh, yes, sir.
What's the answer? Can you tell me the answer? Johan, are you there? Can you tell me the answer? Hello.
So,
Yeah.
uh, I I got x minus one, uh, and two
And
x two x plus one.
2x plus 1. You got this answer. Okay. Hannah, you got the
Yeah.
same answer? Yes.
Got x minus 1 into 2x plus minus 1. Both minus.
Both minus you got. Okay, let's check who will win. Joshua, you got the answer?
No, sir. I'm doing.
Okay, you're doing. It's okay. So now, Anna, you got the answer?
No, sir. I'm waiting for you to do it.
Why?
I'm getting confused with middle term splitting.
Uh, that's sad part. Okay, no, it's okay. So first of all, we have to multiply first in the last term, so it will become 2x square. Now the factor should be like that. When you will multiply it, the answer will be 2x square, and when you will add it, your answer should be minus x. So if I will take 2x into x, so the answer will be plus 2x square. But you need an answer of minus 2x square. So what I will do, I will write a minus sign here so that when I will multiply it, I will get answer as minus 2x square. And when you will add it, what will be the answer of this? When you will add it, so different sign is there. So you will subtract it. So 2 minus 1 is 1 x. And because 2 is greater than that, so I'll write minus 1 here. So it will become 2x square minus 2x plus x minus 1 is equals to 0. Okay. Now, what is the common between them is 2x is the common. So it will remain 2x minus 1. Not 2x minus 1, sorry. X minus 1. And the plus 1 will be common. So it will become x minus 1. So it will become, now what is the common between them? X minus 1. So x minus 1 is the common. And the remaining behind is 2x plus 1. Like this. Understood, guys? Joshua didn't understand anything. Joshua,
Yeah, understood.
where you did mistake, Joshua?
Yeah.
I did mistake in the calculation.
In the calculation. Okay.
I put the minus on the x.
Minus on the other side. So see, if you will write minus here, na, so the answer will be in plus x. Understood? So that's you have to see again and again. Understood? No.
1.
Joshua, if you have any doubt, please ask me 1,000 times. But 1,001 times I will not tell. Okay? That's my rule. Okay. So ask me and I'll write the homework. Today I will give you good homework. Okay? Because Hannah was asking, sir, why you are not giving me homework, sir? Now you are not giving us homework. So that's why, because Hannah was saying, so I need to give homework. Okay. So tell me when you stop, when you don't need. Okay. Yeah. So Okay, this is the question. Hannah, you want more? Hannah want more, no? Hannah?
We've already done
And
2 of those questions in the classes.
yeah, so the done question you don't have to do it, but if we didn't did, then you have to do it in your homework copy. Okay, Joshua, you have to do this homework. Okay, Joshua, it's a little homework. Okay, yeah. So I hope you enjoyed the class. Anna, we'll meet tomorrow, and and we will have 3 minutes break. Then we'll start our science class.
Bye, sir.
Hello, can you hear me? Everyone turn on your camera. Okay. So, Joshua, turn on your camera. Are you there? Yeah. So we did digestion part. So we were learning about balance diet. We learned about balance diet. Then we learned about what to eat. Okay. Then we were doing about enzymes. Enzymes we learned. Okay. So in the same way, now we will start that if you are eating food, so by what process it will go so that our body get nutrition from the food. This we will learn. So the page number is 67. It's in front of your book, sorry, computer screen. So you can check it out from there. Understood? No. Yes or no? Now, ingestion or indigestion. So we will learn about that. So ingestion means when we are taking food, it's called as ingestion. We are taking food is called as ingestion. So it's written the process of taking food from the through the mouth is called as ingestion. Okay, and the digestion will start from our mouth itself. Oh my God! From our mouth itself, the digestion will start. Understood? No, you didn't answer anything. No. See, when you will eat food, for example, I take out biscuit for you. Okay. So I will see. I will put a biscuit in front of you. Sorry. So when I'm taking biscuit, so from my mouth itself, um, the digestion will start. We'll take one example. For example, butter chicken is formed. Okay. Then your mouth will water. Mama, I need food. I need food. Mama, I'm hungry. So the saliva will form in your mouth. Okay. So why the saliva is formed? Because whenever you are eating food, the saliva will just wet the food. Okay. It helps us in chewing. As well as the saliva has a enzyme called as salivary amylase. Understood? Salivary amylase. Salivary amylase, what's the role of salivary amylase is to digest the carbohydrate part of a food. Oh my God. So in the mouth itself, carbohydrates such as are broken into digestive sugar form. Saliva contains salivary amylase that breaks down to starch and sugar. Oh my God. So I'll repeat it again. In your mouth, what start? Saliva is present, and the saliva is responsible for they will attack on which part? They will attack on the carbohydrates. They will attack on carbohydrate part of food and digest it. Okay. So they will not attack on protein, they will not attack on fats, but they will only attack on the carbohydrate part of a food. Okay. And it make it simple. So this is in your mouth, digestion occurs. Understood, guys? No, you didn't understand anything. Okay. Then it will go to the esophagus. So this is the main thing that only esophagus in your whole alimentary canal. So we learn about alimentary canal. It starts from mouth and it will end at anus. So this is a normally alimentary canal. So the whole alimentary canal, only esophagus is the organ which doesn't have any digestion. So what is the role of esophagus? It's a passage that takes the food from mouth to the stomach. Simple as that. Understood? No. So digestion occurs in mouth, stomach, intestine, but it won't occur in esophagus. Now we'll understand how the food goes in esophagus. So for example, this is your food. Okay. So the esophagus will have a rhythmic contraction and rhythmic relaxation. So it will be like this. This is contract. Contract means to contract. And relax means this is relax. Okay. So rhythmic contraction and relaxation lays the food goes into the stomach. Okay. So like this. This is food. Then it will relax. Then the next part will contract. Then it will relax. Then next part will contract. Then relax. So it will go like this. So this rhythmic contraction and relaxation of esophagus is called as peristaltic movement. Which movement? Peristaltic movement. So through the peristaltic movement or peristalsis, the food goes from mouth to the stomach. That guys, did you understand? No. Yes or no? Joshua, can you read this? Joshua?
The esophagus.
Yeah.
There is no digestion in this part, also called gullet. The esophagus or the
So in this, underline this, okay? Underline this. Why I'm saying this? Because in MCQs, they will ask like this. Esophagus, the other name of esophagus is gullet. Okay, so and it many times it asks also. So please underline this. Next, read this. Joshua?
The esophagus or the food pipe, by the contraction of muscles in its walls, pushes the food into the stomach. Muscle
Yeah.
movement,
So, hmm. Yes, please. Sorry.
muscle movement is termed uh, peristalsis and
Hmm.
helps food travel down the alimentary canal.
Yeah. So peristalsis or peristaltic movement. These are the terms in through which like rhythmic contraction and relaxation occurs so that the food will go from mouth to the stomach. Hannah didn't understand anything. Hannah, what did you understand anything? Sorry?
I understood, sir.
Very good. Now the food which was in your stomach in your mouth, now it goes to stomach. So till here any problem guys? No, you didn't understand anything? Joshua? Johan? Johan, did you understand everything, beta?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Johan, can you read this stomach part?
The stomach is a highly muscular organ. The gastric glands present in its walls secrete gastric juice containing hydrochloric acid and enzymes like pepsinogen. HCl, hydrochloric acid activates pepsinogen into pepsin and kills bacteria. Proteins
Hmm.
are broken into smaller fragments called peptones by the enzyme pepsin.
Oh my God. Okay, now we will understand what this is. Okay, so we learned that our stomach, like from our childhood times, we learned that our stomach is producing a uh, HCl. Okay, but like there's a HCl. So like mama says, no, oh my like my chest is burning. Why it's burning? Because of the excess amount of HCl produced by the stomach. This is what reason there's a burning sensation in the chest. Okay, so now understand it like this: that stomach. This is like, for example, this is a stomach. Don't laugh on my drawing. Hey, don't laugh. Okay. Now understand it like a stomach. Somebody punch in the stomach. Okay, so this is stomach. Okay. Now what happened? In stomach there is a wall made up of mucus. Because if you will take out the stomach in your like the if you will take out the acid in your stomach and if you will pour out in your skin, the skin will burn, even the bones will burn. That much acidic was your HCl, is your HCl. But it won't burn our stomach. Yeah. Why? Why it won't burn our stomach? Because the HCl, the stomach has the mucus wall. Which wall? Mucus wall, which helps the stomach wall to burn against the HCl. Okay, understood? Now, this mucus wall release HCl as well as pepsinogen. To release HCl and pepsinogen. Now, HCl makes the medium acidic, first of all, so that the bacteria can be killed by it. Understood? Yes or no? And pepsinogen is an inactive enzyme. Is an inactive enzyme. Okay, so I'll take one example. So, Mama called you that okay, woke up. It's a morning, and your sibling is also sleeping. So then, what will you say, Mama? Tell him also to woke up because I'm inactive without him. Okay, tell him to when he will or she will rise up, then only I will get it up. So it means that you are inactive form. Yeah, inactive form. I know I took a very bad example, but it's okay to understand it. It's an inactive form. So for activation, HCl is needed. Okay, you can understand one more example. You need a scooty. Who know how to ride scooty? Who know how to ride scooty? You should know. Little. है ना? No?
Talking about a bike or something.
Okay. Johan, you know? Johan, you know how to ride scooty? Johan, are you there? Hello, Johan, can you hear me? Okay, he might not be there. So, what was I saying? For starting a scooty, you need a key. Before that, it's an inactive form of scooty, but when you will put a key, then it will active. So, in the same way, the HCl is a key for a pepsinogen to convert into pepsin. Now, the pepsin is basically the active form. Understood? Now, pepsin, P for pepsin, P for protein. So, pepsin will attack on protein so that the protein will convert into peptones. Okay. Pepsin will attack on protein so that the proteins will convert into peptones. So, you can understand it like this. So, for example, this is protein. This is protein. Now, peptones will look like this. But still, it's not that much digested so that our body can absorb. Okay, so it means that we need a simplest form which is called as amino acid so that our body can digest. So peptones is the mid phase. The proteins is digested, but not that much digested that our body can absorb it. Understood, guys? No, you didn't understand anything. So peptones is the middle form. So pepsinogen is activated by HCl and pepsin, which is active form, it will attack on the proteins. So the proteins will convert it into peptones. And the peptone is the middle form. Now the peptone still needs one more enzyme so that the peptones will convert into amino acid and can be absorbed by our body. Understood, Joshua? So now we'll run the small intestine. I'm erasing this. Do you want to take screenshot? Do you want to write in your notebook? Please write it down. It's important. Understood? Quickly write it down. Joshua, if you're writing down, then write it down in your notes section like I use, na? Like this.
Yeah, I'm taking screenshot.
Yeah, take the screenshot. Anna, you took screenshot?
Yeah, I'm taking a screenshot and I posted in the video.
Yeah, sure. So, stomach. So HCl activates pepsinogen into pepsin and kills bacteria. Proteins are broken into small peptones. So just now we learned that proteins is a most complex. Then it will come peptones, which is less complex, but still it's not absorbed by the body. We need it as amino acid. Oh my God. Understood? No. Yes or no? Okay. Now the food will go into small intestine. So as I told you, the stomach is the most acidic, but the small intestine is not acidic. So it needs a medium called as alkaline. So the alkaline medium is given by the bile juice, not bile juice. It's bile juice. Okay, don't take it bile juice. It's bile, bile, bile juice. The bile juice, now the stomach, the acidic medium, but now it is going to intestine. The intestine needs an alkalinic medium. Now, what is alkalinic medium? Alkaline means basic. So when the stomach food is coming, na, in the intestine, so it will treat it with bile juice so that the bile juice attack on the food and make it alkaline. Understood, guys? No. Joshua, Hannah, understood? Johan, understood, beta? Yes or no? Very good. So now the alkalinic food, can you hear me? Or you're getting my voice distorted? Okay. So what was I saying? Now the small intestine is basically having a alkalinic medium because it is treated by bile juice coming from liver. So liver releases bile juice, which makes it has two works. First is emulsification. Now, what is meant by emulsification? Emulsification is the process in which a big globule of fat it's broken down into small globules of fat. Understood? For example, like big rocks, when it is converted into small rocks, okay, you can understand it like this. The big globule of fat is converted into small globules of fat. Okay, it is called as emulsification. Joshua, did you understand? No. Johan, everyone understood, beta? Yes or no? Guys,
Yes, sir.
okay. Now, the second role I discussed before also, it makes the things alkaline. Alkaline means basic, so that the other enzyme can also work. Okay. So you can understand it like this. We have trypsin, amylase, lipase. So now small intestine have bile juice as well as pancreatic juice also there. Pancreatic juice are coming from pancreas. Oh my God. Pancreatic juice are coming from pancreas. Pancreas releases pancreatic juice. Pancreatic juice are three types: trypsin, amylase, and lipase. Trypsin. So we learn about that pepsin did half work. Yes, pepsin converted proteins into peptones and then amino acid form. Peptones. Still here only the pepsin did work. Now trypsin. Listen, pepsin, trypsin, both have same. Okay, so both have same work. Now the half work which is done by the pepsin, okay, the completion will be by the trypsin. So here the trypsin will work and it's converted the peptones into amino acid. Oh my God. Understood? No. No, you didn't understand anything. Guys, the half work by the pepsin is now the full work is done by trypsin. The trypsin will convert the peptones into amino acid. Oh my God. Understood? Yes or no? Okay. Now amylase. Amylase, like salivary amylase, this is also amylase. So the salivary amylase did the work carbohydrate into simple sugar, and the for how many times we for how much time we put time like for minute 20 seconds, 30 seconds, we just chew food in our mouth. After that, we will just swallow it. No? So the whole carbohydrate is not converted into simple sugar. So the body has next backup plan is also there. It's called as amylase. So the left carbohydrate, which is not converted into simple sugar, the amylase will do that work. Understood, guys? Yes or no? So that's why if you will eat 32 times, then the digestion of carbohydrate will be easier for the body. Otherwise, it will convert into fat and will store in the form of fat. Understood, Hannah? Yes or no? Now, second is lipase. Lipase, you can understand it like this. Lipase work on lipid, and lipid is another name of fat. Lipid is another name of fat. So the fat globules, the small fat globules done by the bile juice, now it will convert into a simpler form called as fatty acid and glycerol. Understood, guys? Okay. So I'll shall I erase this? Shall I erase this? Are you taking screenshot? Could you take screenshot? So what happens? The carbohydrates such as starch is converted into simple sugar like maltose or glucose by the help of two enzymes, salivary amylase and amylase in the pancreas. Understood? Yes or no? Okay. Then proteins is converted into first peptones and then it's converted into amino acids. Okay. Why? How? The proteins is converted into peptones by the pepsin, and the peptones is converted into amino acid by trypsin. Oh my god. Uh-huh. Understood, guys? Yes or no? Okay. And the fatty acid or the fats. First, we will learn about fat. So fats, first big globules of fats is converted into small globule of fats by bile juice. I'm repeating again, bile juice, not bile juice. Okay. And the small globules of fats is now converted into fatty acid or glycerol. Fatty acid or glycerol. Okay. By the help of lipase enzyme. Oh my gosh. Understood? So this is whole work of the stomach or the intestine. Understood, guys? Yes or no? Yeah. Now this line is very, very important. Can you read it? Hannah, can you read this?
The digestion of proteins into the end products, amino acid, carbohydrates into glucose, and fats into fatty acids and glycerol is completed in the small intestine.
Yeah. So all the complete digestion occurs in small intestine. Okay. Now the digestion is occurs. Now the small intestine has like this is small intestine. You can understand like this small intestine. So the small intestine has finger-like projection. This finger-like projection is called as villi. Okay. Now this villi will absorb the simplest form like fatty acid, like amino acid, and like simple sugar. So the villi will absorb this simplest form because it's simplest form, no? It will absorb by the body and it will go to the cell which is needed that things. Understood, guys? No, you didn't understand thing. Anna, Joshua, Jahoan, Johan, understood? Everyone understood, guys? Am I a good teacher? Joshua saying no. Joshua, you saying something? Joshua, this is a trick how to get good marks in my test. When you will just say, sir, you're a good teacher, you are a very good teacher. When you will appreciate me again and again, then I will give 5 marks like bonus. Okay. So Joshua, you want to say something? No. Wow. Okay. So this is what we learn in small intestine. So I'm giving you 2 minutes to read the small intestine paragraph. Then we will go to the large intestine. Quickly read this. Shall I read this? Okay. Shall I read this? I mean, shall we move to the forward? Okay. Now, did you know jaundice? Jaundice is basically when the skill is like when a newborn baby, no. So they will have jaundice, which is normal for them. Like if it is for 2 or 3 days, it's normal for them. What is jaundice, by the way? Jaundice is basically their skin will become yellowish. Even the urine which comes out, they will also become yellowish. Why? Because it's of excessive bile juice secreted by the body, and it's done by the hepatitis wire virus hepatitis virus. And it, like, if you will draw infected water, na, then hepatitis virus is basically there, which release the lot of bile pigment in the blood, and which makes the blood yellowish color. Understood, guys? Yes or no? Okay. So jaundice, if it is not treated, then you may have a lunch with Jesus. Okay. So it needs to be a proper treatment. Okay. Now, large intestine basically absorbs the water and undigested food. Okay. And then rest, it will go through anus and it will go to the flush. Okay. Then absorption and assimilation and egestion is the normal. Guys, did you understand till here? Joshua, can you read this jaundice part, please?
When a person suffers from jaundice, the skin looks pale with a yellowish tint due to large amounts of bilirubin, a bile pigment in the blood. The urine becomes deep yellow. Jaundice is caused by hepatitis virus. The virus
Underline this, because they can ask you jaundice is caused by dash. So you have to write hepatitis virus. Yes. Yes.
The urine, the virus is a different types, and now there's an injection that provides immunity from the virus. Infection usually comes from the infected one.
Yeah. Read the large intestine.
The part of the body absorbs water from the undigested food and solid waste, is lubricated to form the feces. The feces pass onto the lower part of the large intestine called the rectum and are thrown out of the body through the anus.
Very good. Yeah. Next. So absorption is basically, I told you, villi. Villi will absorb the simplest form of the food. So blood capillaries in the villi pick up the digested food and take it into the all cells. Assimilation is basically the absorbed food is now breaks up so that the energy can be released from it. And egestion is the undigested food which is goes through the large intestine. It will comes out through the anus. Understood, guys? Now your homework is to do this in-text question 22.4. So let me check how many questions are there. Yeah, 5 questions are there. So you have to do this 5 questions. Okay, your homework. Joshua wants more. Joshua is saying yes. Thumbs up. Joshua, you want more? Okay. So tomorrow is your oral test. Okay, what's the oral test? Oral test is the whole digestive system. So I will ask you the digestive system part by part. Like I can start, Hannah, tell me the digestive system. So she will start from mouth. Then I will ask esophagus about Joshua, and then Jahoan, then Johan. So everyone has to answer me. Okay. Johan, are you there, Johan? Johan, are you there? Johan, can you hear me?
Sorry,
Okay.
sir. What?
Yeah. So tomorrow there is the oral test. Did you understand?
Yes. Okay. Yes, sir.
So please do this digestion part. So tomorrow I will ask about digestion part. So today we'll end this class. I hope you enjoyed the class. Till then, bye. We're signing off. Tata. Bye bye. Signing off.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Bye.